Everyone, and welcome back to another video. Today I'm going to show you how you can delete your search history, or basically any type of history that you would want on a Google account. It's pretty easy, and I'm going to show how you can do it. So deleting these, it's actually not going. It's not going to delete it from completely from your account, not locally from your from basically your phone or your PC or something. No, it's going to completely delete it from you're going to completely delete it from your Google account. So how I can do that? So first of all, you're going to launch Google Play Store. And from Google Play Store, you're going to go click on the top right corner. Okay, from the top right corner, you're going to click on Manage Your Google Account. Now, once you're in your Manage Google Account, you're going to click on Data and Privacy, and then you're going to scroll down all the way until you find something called My Activity. Now, from My Activity, you're going to scroll down once it loads. Okay, so once it loads, you're going to scroll down all the way until you find something called filter data by data and product. You're going to find right beside it, delete. Once you click on it, you can select what type of things you want to delete. Let's say I want to click on the last hour, and then you're going to click on delete, and it's going to start deleting your latest history. So yeah, that's basically how you can delete it. That's error because my internet is not good, but it's not going to give you that error. As you can see, last one was basically 9:48, and right now the time is 10:56. So yeah, guys, thank you so much, guys, for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and I'll see you later.